Expert na. Yes. Ano na rin inupo eh.
Cute mo pala, may bimples ka, no?
Dimples ka pala.
May dimples ka, cute ano? Yeah! May dimples pala. Kaya pala nagustuhan ni Tikang.
Mahal niya ako sa
Kaya nagustuhan mo yung dimples.
Hindi sa dimples sa...
May dimples na dalawa.
Thank you for party. I'm not expecting this party.
Iyak niya.
First I can say is thank you.
Love you.
Bubunot ako, bubunot. Ikaw mo na bubunot. Cool na ako.
Thank you again, thank you. And then hope everybody have a good health. And
Loving you.
and sana everybody has a good life. That's it. Thank you again.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday
Isang baksa!
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Isang baksa, palakpak. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayan. Eh, 50 years old na siya. So, 50. Hindi. Dalawang baksa! Music. Thank you, sir. Happy birthday. O, lahat ng girls, tayo kayo. Tayo tayo. Lahat ng girls, tayo kayo. Girls lang po. Wherever you are,